Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to bake muffins using Golden Cloud. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need 2 cups of Golden Cloud flour, half a cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Also, prepare 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of melted butter or oil. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure it's ready for baking. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients, the Golden Cloud flour, sugar, and baking powder. Whisk them together thoroughly. In a separate bowl, mix your wet ingredients, the egg, milk, and melted butter or oil until they are well blended. Gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Finally, prepare a 12-cup muffin tin with liners or nonstick spray. It's time to bake. Carefully spoon your muffin batter into the prepared muffin cups, filling each one about 2/3 full. Place the muffin tin into your preheated oven. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes or until the tops are golden brown. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of a muffin. It should come out clean. Once baked, allow the muffins to cool in the tin for 5 minutes. Once slightly cooled, transfer your delicious Golden Cloud muffins to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps prevent them from getting soggy. You can store any leftover muffins in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. They are perfect for breakfast, a quick snack, or even a delightful dessert. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below this video. Enjoy your homemade muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.